Assalamu alaikum, I react Save the Claro. Today we are gonna be reacting to Asra Baji's new viral video. So let's start the video. Haydi bismillah.
Hayatta Çagaya.
İyi, her şey yolunda.
What is the Turkish version of that?
Hi guys, I am Esra Bilgiç.
I
And today,
I react.
I will be trying to speak some popular Pakistani slang words and phrases and also teach you the Turkish version of them. My first slang word is Genuine baht. Genuine baht. What does that mean?
Genuine baht.
Doğru zamanda doğru yerde olmak. Boğatala. Boğatala is
Bahut ala.
muazzam, harika, muhteşem. The next one is kıyasine hay.
Kıyasine.
Kıyasine. Ne haber dostum? Nasıl gidiyor? In Turkish. Sinonay. Sinone.
Sinone.
It can be iyi gidiyor. İyi. Her şey yolunda. Jobatay. Jobate. Aynen öyle. Jobate. Jobate. Yes, the next one is Cugar. Cugar. Yalandan
Cugar.
iş çevirdin. Öylesine bir şeyler yapmak istedin, yaptın yani. That means a lot. Okay, the next one is Ayete Çagaya. Ayete Çagaya. Ayete Çagaya. Ayete Çagaya.
मुझे खुद ही समझ आई.
Geldim, gördüm, yendim. The next one is cheetah. Cheetah. What does that mean? Yeah, I know this word. It's champ. Interesting. Cheetah is champ in Pakistani. Interesting. Yeah, I like this word. It's my number one word. Cheetah. I want to say this word. Dünyaya anlat. In Pakistan version of it. Dünya Kobadato. Really? The first time? Yes! I did it. Dünya Kobadato. Pakistan's number one network. Dünya Kobadato.
Yes. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Allah imanatullah.